Hey guys, so I didn't really want to make this video because, I wasn't expecting this to happen. A couple days ago, this happened to my MacBook. We just get it here, just open it up, press the power button, let it sit on the Apple logo for a bit. Yep, this is what happens. This is what it boots up to. It no longer actually posts, it just gets to that screen and just fails. Love that. Oh, it's so great. I love it. So why is this happening? What happened to it? Well, a couple days ago I was staying the night at someone's house, drink spilled, the slightest bit of ice got under the keyboard and just fried the entire thing. So, love that. I've had this laptop for 10 months and it's already dead. Yeah, lovely, huh? So you're probably wondering what I'm gonna be using for editing for now. And that'll be this 2010 iMac. Yep, the iMac that I usually would have in my closet, it's now gonna be editing this video along with a couple other ones. I just thought I would get this quick video out of the way just so you know what's going on. And if you don't follow my Twitter, which you should, see all the updates that have been going on. And I usually never mention this in literally any video, but I also have a Discord server. For those wondering when I'm going to be opening a Discord server, I have one. I've had one for years. I just never advertised it because no one really cared about it, even myself. Just join it. It's in the description or something. It's currently 9:30 in the morning. I woke up 2 hours ago. So I'm not really energetic right now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, if you enjoy videos of people's tech breaking. And I'll see you guys in the next one.